Have you ever been in a situation where you said something you didn't mean because your emotions just took over? Maybe you yelled at your partner after a long day. Maybe you snapped at a friend or coworker. Or maybe you shut down completely. It happens to all of us. But here's the thing. Emotions aren't bad. They're not something to fight or suppress. What matters is how you manage them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to master your emotions before they control you. And yes, every single tip is backed by science. So let's get into it. Your brain is incredible, but it's wired for survival, not happiness. Deep inside your brain, there's something called the amygdala. It's your emotion detector, your alarm system. It reacts to danger, real or imagined, faster than you can think. It's why you might panic during a presentation or freeze up in an argument. But you're not powerless. Right behind your forehead is your prefrontal cortex. This is your logical brain. It helps you stay calm, think things through, and make smart choices. The secret to emotional control is learning how to move from your emotional brain to your logical brain quickly. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah's a busy marketing manager. She had a rough day at work, stressful meeting, unfair feedback, and she was just about to send an angry text to her boss. But then she paused. She remembered what she learned about emotional control. Instead of reacting, she applied the first strategy I'm about to share with you. And trust me, it changed everything. Strategy number one is simple, but powerful. Name it to tame it. Dr. Daniel Siegel, a leading neuroscientist, says that when you name your emotion out loud, your brain starts to calm down. Why? Because labeling an emotion activates your logical brain. Try it. Next time you feel anxious, say, I'm feeling anxious, or I'm feeling angry. It might feel silly at first, but it works. Your emotions lose power when you name them. It's like turning the light on in a dark room. Strategy number two comes from Dr. Jill Bolt Taylor. It's called the 90-second rule. Here's the truth. When you feel triggered, that chemical reaction in your brain only lasts for about 90 seconds. After that, you're fueling the emotion with your thoughts. So next time you're angry, stressed, or upset, pause. Take a deep breath. Watch the clock if you have to. Let those 90 seconds pass. Then, respond from your logical brain, not your emotional brain. Strategy number three is a game changer. Cognitive reframing. It means changing the story you're telling yourself. Instead of I'm terrible at this, say I'm learning something new. Instead of this is a disaster, say this is a challenge I can handle. Your brain believes the story you feed it. Feed it something useful. Now let's talk about your breath. Elite performers, like Navy SEALs, use a technique called box breathing to stay calm under pressure. It's simple. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Repeat that 4 to 5 times. You'll feel your body relax almost instantly. This lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and helps you regain control over your emotions. Strategy number 5 is journaling, but not just writing random stuff. Psychology research shows that writing down your emotions clears mental clutter. It helps you make sense of what you're feeling. Try writing each night. What did I feel today? What triggered me? What did I learn about myself? Over time, this builds emotional intelligence, like a muscle. Finally, strategy number 6, reset your environment. Sometimes you just need to move. Change your surroundings, go for a quick walk, open a window, step outside for some sunlight. Your brain associates places with emotions. Changing your space often changes your state. So let's recap. Here's how to master your emotions before they control you. Name it to tame it. Wait 90 seconds, reframe your thoughts box, breathing, emotional journaling environment. Reset, remember, you can't always control what happens to you, but you can always control how you respond. Which of these strategies will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more psychology tips, and share this with someone who might need it today. Because mastering your emotions, that's one of the most powerful skills you'll ever learn.